So let's get into video. First we need some balloon, then we need a bowl, chemical, then a jute wood, then some water. First we should pour chemical into the bowl. Please pour some water. Now we can mix it well. We should make like this consistency. Don't make it very thick. Now we need jute. Dip the jute in the chemical. Full of glue. The glue became like this. Now I tied the jute wood on the balloon like this. Now you should keep this balloon for a couple of hours to dry. So let's wait. First one was flopped because we kept this balloon in the direct sunlight, so it popped. Then we tied another balloon inside this mold. Then you want to keep on sunlight. Do not keep this balloon in direct sunlight. You can keep in the near of the fan, etc. We need to remove this balloon very carefully because it is good stick on this mold. So we should always careful while removing. Otherwise, don't pop this balloon directly. First, we should take our fingers and push here. Push on the gaps. We need to pop with pin, etc. Then in this thick side of the balloon. Slowly we should remove the air. Now you can change the sound. Then we can open the side anywhere. Oh, no problem, nothing happened. Now our mold is ready. You can see. Next step is we have to paint.
Now we are going to paint. You can use whatever color you like. We are using black and yellow. Now we put light inside. You can put single light or any bulb. Thank you for